Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create a personal fundraiser on Facebook. Open the website, then log in with your email or phone number and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a menu icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the menu icon. On the drop-down menu, you will see a section for Create. Under Create, you will see an option for Fundraiser. Click on Fundraiser. On this page, select a fundraiser type. You will see two options: nonprofit and personal fundraisers. Click on Personal Fundraisers. Then select a category for your fundraiser. In this example, I am going to create a fundraiser for church building, so I selected Faith. Click on the category applicable for your fundraiser. Now, enter further details about your fundraiser. You could state the reason of your fundraiser. Enter it on the description box on why you're raising money. Then select the country from where you're raising money. Click the drop-down arrow to select a country. After that, enter the amount you want to raise. Below that, you will see the currency. Once you have selected the country from where you're raising money, the currency will be automatically selected. After that, select the end date of your fundraiser. Then add a cover photo for your fundraiser. Click on the upload icon to select a cover photo. Now a pop-up window will appear. You can either choose from the suggested photos or upload your own photo by clicking the Upload New Photo button. After that, click on Create. That's how you create a personal fundraiser on Facebook. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.